The PioneerWorks AEZ06LQQ1 Air Conditioner delivers efficient cooling with its 8,000 British thermal units, making it ideal for compact spaces up to 350 square feet. This smart air conditioner can be controlled remotely through Wi-Fi, allowing seamless integration with Amazon Alexa or Google Home for convenient hands-free operation. Its quiet operation, with sound levels as low as 50 decibels, ensures that your environment remains undisturbed, whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping. The unit's maintenance is straightforward, with a remote control for easy adjustments and alerts for cleaning the washable dust filter to keep it running efficiently. Installation is hassle-free thanks to the compact design and lightweight construction, which includes all necessary accessories for setup without altering your window frame. Overall, the PioneerWorks AEZ06LQ1 combines smart technology, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for cooling small to medium-sized rooms.